and adoration should go to you.
Why?
Because they are sitting because of
Yes.
it.
Correct.
It's Krishna's mercy, probably. It's nothing. If you know my background.
Bring Haribol to
No, Haribol! Probably you should ask my dad, my wife, how much naughty or mischievous I am. If you know about myself or my background, you will not even allow me to your house. Okay, it is Krishna's.
This is the proof that we can change.
Correct.
I was to say.
You want to know? Yes, sir. I didn't hear you. I'm sorry. Leela Sukha? Leela Sukudu. I'm hearing for the first time. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, you are right, Ravi. It's not only.
Valmiki also.
Yeah. No. Actually, I am not considering myself equal to Valmiki. You about that? Let us. It's not topic is not about ourselves. But let me see. How many other devotees are sitting at that side? 4. Are there any chairs where we can accommodate them here in the kitchen? I mean,
We can move further. We can move further down.
okay. No, actually, Mataji, adjacent neighbors, if any chairs are there, can we borrow? Pujita Mataji, if you don't mind, if any adjacent neighbors are there, they are having chairs, no? Can we borrow them? Just 3 or 4 chairs, so that they can sit in kitchen also, because I think
More visible from there.
visibility will be there. Yeah, so I'm not able to see it. That's okay. Just check, Mataji.
No problem, Prabhuji. Maybe Mataji and Surbi only are sitting that side.
No, that's
Correct.
no. It's not. Even if some devotees are coming, Prabhu.
They don't matter.
No, that's not.
We
Actually,
want to see.
no. It's not only that. If any other devotees are coming, they should again somehow they need to adjust their rate. I was just thinking that they
Yeah,
can be
we can
accommodated.
move further.
Yes.
Because some might be.
Ultimately, Sai will go there.
So because everyone might
He
not be.
moves one step, comes back half step. See, again he's coming back.
So that's okay. ఈ లోపల విజయ్ భాస్కర్ ప్రభు how many devotees are there?
2 are.
2 are there.
One you can see.
Only can see, but I was just thinking if chairs are there, no, they can see actually.
Yes.
Good for them.
ఆ చైర్ అక్కడ వేసుకొని కూర్చుంటారా?
Call them where Mataji?
పర్లేదు, అక్కడే కూర్చుంటారు.
అంటే వాళ్ళకి పర్వాలేదు, నాకు తృప్తిగా ఉంటుంది.
ప్రభుజీకి తృప్తి కోసం చైర్ ఇస్తారా పోనీ? చైర్ ఇవ్వండి.
సారీ అమ్మా, ఇబ్బంది పెడుతున్నాను. ఐఎమ్ రియలీ సారీ. No, whoever can't sit on the floor, they can sit on chairs.
Please push me.
Okay, I'm really sorry to juggle a bit. Really sorry for that, but that's okay.
Except one.
Because I'm expecting some more devotees might come, so
Yes.
they might not be comfortable sitting on the floor. So I was just on a precautionary note, I'm just trying to prepare everyone to be visible or sit on chair if possible. Yeah. So, Prabhuji and Mataji.
You go under the table.
So, I don't want to do.
I wanted to make this.
Best place.
శాంతి కొంచెం పూజిత మాదికి హెల్ప్ చేయాలా? ఏమైనా చైర్స్ తీసుకోవడానికి హెల్ప్ అవుతుందా? చైర్ కిచెన్లో పెట్టావా?
ఇక్కడమ్మా. మరి ఇంకా ముందు పెట్టేసి. ఇంకా ముందు కావాలి. అన్నయ్య పక్కన పెట్టేసి.
That's okay. So, I think that should do. Yeah, Pujita Mata is challenge. Yeah, that should do. We will adjust now. Yeah. రావు ప్రభు, if you don't mind, ఇటు ఈ చైర్లో కూర్చుంటారా? కూర్చుంటారా? ఇక్కడ చైర్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ మీరు అటు కూర్చోండి. మీరు ఆ చైర్ ఎత్తొద్దు, మీరు ఎటు వచ్చి ఇటు కూర్చోండి. ఇటు కూర్చోండి. ఎస్ ఈ చైర్లో కూర్చోండి. కంఫర్టబుల్ ఏనా? ఫైన్. యా అంటే ఇలా కొత్త వాళ్ళు వచ్చేవాళ్ళు ఇక్కడ ఆక్యుపై చేస్తారు కదా. ప్రభుజీ आप भी थोड़ा इस तरह इधर आके बैठ जाएंगे, जो कोई भी नए लोग आ रहे हैं ना, नए डिवोटीज आ रहे हैं, they occupy this seats. It's not comfortable, then you can occupy this seat. ప్రభుజీ రావు ప్రభు మీరు ఇక్కడే కూర్చోండి, మీరు ఇక్కడే కూర్చోండి. Yeah, that should do. That's okay. Now everyone can sit. I'm really sorry for all the juggle, and my apologies for coming late. Unfortunately, I started my car, I don't know, engine stopped working or so. Just 1 hour back, I traveled in my car, but immediately at 5:20, car stopped working. So he came in auto by booking and all. So yeah, so I'm really sorry for that. Yeah, so I know today we are doing, I don't want to do any recap further. I think we already seen the laws behind karma, and I quickly wanted to jump into the topic. I wanted to ask again, I think a lot of people, lot of devotees don't know Telugu, so there is no other go. I need to switch in English only. English ఎవరికి అర్థం కాదండి ఇక్కడ? English ఎవరికి అర్థం కాదు? Who doesn't understand English at all? No? 2 or 3 members, they don't understand English, right? Okay. It's very difficult, చాలా కష్టం. Yeah. So jumping into the topic, we have seen what are the laws behind karma, and last time we have heard the story of Dhritarashtra, right? One more, I think everyone know about the story of Dhritarashtra, right? What was his past karmas and everything, you know, right? Now there is an important aspect to that story. That aspect is, I think Arunaba Mataji or some, I don't know whether you asked or some other Mataji asked, I don't remember exactly. Why not immediately? Why it is given? Why why the karma is not tackled immediately? Why it has to be given after 50 years? Now see, Prabhuji and Mataji, Krishna is merciful in that way also. How he is merciful is, for example, imagine 50 years back he did some act, and 50 lives he passed on to gain the good punya of getting 100 sons. Now, will it be good for him that in that 50 lives, each life, whatever the putra is born, in each life he is killing one son. His son is getting killed in each life. So 50 lives he is getting killed and observing the pain in each and every life is good, or after 50 lives, in one life he is killing 100 sons and giving the pain is good. There also Krishna is merciful. And as I said, Prabhuji and Mataji, whatever the karma we are accumulating, right, he knows exactly how much we can bear. That much only positive karma or negative karma is given in one life. That we need to understand. I just wanted to highlight that, you know. And some people say instant karma. If instant karma is given, some people have it. अरे నేను తప్పు చేస్తే నాకు ఇమ్మీడియట్గా ఎందుకు रिएक्शन ఉంటే నాకు బాగుంటుంది కదా, इमीडिएटली अगर मेरे को रिएक्शन मिल जाएगा तो अच्छा रहेगा ना. इंस्टेंट कर्मा कुछ गलत किया तो इमीडिएट मुझे मिलता तो कितना अच्छा रहेगा. बट विल इट बी गुड? Krishna knows whether it is good or not. Mataji, while in the session, kindly don't chant. Pakkan bitte. Okay? Yeah. So the thing is, we should instant karma. We should not expect. And there is a big problem. Krishna knows when if the instant karma is given, whether you will be able to bear or not. Krishna knows. Now think about a situation. I think most of the devotees here are IT professionals, right? Now, how many of you have been working in a company for more than 5 years, in a single company? Wow. More than 10 years? Wow. Okay. Now, anyway, Asha Prabhu is there. So, now let us imagine a situation if his boss is there. His appraisal generally for 1 year of the entire tenure, appraisal is given for 1 year. Now, each and every day, 10 years have gone. On the first year you did what nonsense thing you did. Also, every day he reminds us. Every day he reminds of the negative thing what he got. Will he able to lead that life properly? No, right? So Krishna also in that way. Micromanagement. Yeah. Actually, Krishna also knows how much you can handle, how much you cannot handle. He knows, and accordingly he gives. And he gives a good balance also. He doesn't give too many sorrows that you can't handle. or he doesn't give too many. So he knows perfectly balances actually, that we should know. Okay. So that's what. Okay. We have already covered laws of karma are impartial. Laws of karma are impartial, unstoppable. Unstoppable means we can't stop. If something negative is there, whichever life you are there, it will నిన్ను వదల బొమ్మాలి. వాట్ ఇస్ ద డైలాగ్? వదలా నిన్ను వదలా బొమ్మాలి, లైక్ ద డైలాగ్, రైట్? వదల బొమ్మాలి నిన్ను వదల, లైక్ దట్. యూ కెన్ ప్రాబబ్లీ hide, or in the eyes of the laws of the government you can hide, but in the laws of God, the God's laws, you can't hide. There are so many cases where rich people can manage by giving money and all, they can manage, డబ్బిచ్చి ఏదైనా మేనేజ్ చేసుకోగలరు. కానీ ఖచ్చితంగా దేవుడి దృష్టిలో మాత్రం ఎవరు తప్పించుకోలేరు. కానూన్ కే హాత్ పూర్తి లంబే హై. యూ అగ్రీ? యూ హ్యావ్ ఫెయిత్ ఆర్ నాట్? ఎస్. ఏ తప్పు చేసినా తెలియకుండా తప్పు, మా అమ్మకు తెలియకుండా తప్పు చేస్తున్నానులే, మా అమ్మకు తెలియదులే, ఆమెచిగా అనుకోవచ్చు. కానీ ఒక్కళ్ళు వదిలిపెట్టరు. ఎస్, తగ్గేదేలే, ఆయన తగ్గడు. ఓకే, సో దట్స్ ద పాయింట్. సో and you need to understand this instant. So the point, this death is like a good thing for us, that you are, it is giving a break for you from that. So death is like a good thing for any living entity. It's not a negative thing. It's giving a fresh start. When I don't know how many I used to feel, in my college or in my school days, అరే ఈ ఇయర్ అంతా చాలా చెత్త పనులు చేశాను, అట్లీస్ట్ టు స్టార్ట్ విత్. ఈవెన్ న్యూ ఇయర్, రైట్? న్యూ ఇయర్ వాట్ ప్రామిసెస్, రెజల్యూషన్స్. ఎస్, దట్ టర్మ్ ఐ వాజ్ నాట్ గెటింగ్. రెజల్యూషన్. ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ అంతా వీడు చెత్త పని, and next year fresh, at least we will start afresh. That afresh, how long we'll stay, we are not sure. At least 1 week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks we'll stay. After 3 weeks again we are back to pavilion. So we need a fresh start. Okay, so we need to understand that we should have that. Unstoppable means the same thing, that no one can escape the laws of karma. You can escape the laws of government. Laws of government you can escape, but not laws of karma. Anyone, any living entity. Already we have seen this, so I don't want to do this. Karma deals with tendencies. Already we have seen it. We don't belong to this material world, hence following rules is strange to us. Rewards and I think we have discussed enough on this. So rewards and punishment, I think already I mentioned about, did I mention about the devotee? Actually, his brother was a brahmachari, and his younger brother also was planning to go into the path of self-realization. And there was a dilemma, whether I need to, he was thinking about self-realization, and he was in a dilemma whether to choose this path of brahmacharya and all. So how Krishna planned, he was going along with a friend from Mumbai to Pune. From Mumbai to Pune he was going, and while going, his friend was driving, and he met with an accident. His friend who was driving got killed on the spot, and that moment he decided that I need to fully dedicate my life to self-realization. Now you can think, అంటే ఏంటి, దేవుడు ఆయనకు సెల్ఫ్ రియలైజేషన్ కలిగించడానికి ఈయన్ని చంపించాడా? No, it's not like that. Krishna is aware. Krishna, as I said, is a perfect data scientist. ఆ టయానికి ఆ జీవి చావాలని ఉన్నది. At that moment he was expected to die, and he brought that situation in such a way that with a single act of one thing, one person is getting a realization and other person is given an opportunity in the next life. You cannot think that అరే ఒక మనిషికి రియలైజేషన్ కలిగించడానికి ఇంకొకరిని చెప్పాల్సిన అవసరం ఉందా? No. You can think Krishna only thought about his good, not about the other of his friends' good. No. Krishna is well-wisher of everyone. He gives ample opportunity for Vijay Samadhi. He gives, actually we don't know that he is eagerly waiting for us. Unfortunately we don't know. But when you do chanting, when you do spiritual practices, you will realize that how desperately he is waiting for you. Okay? Yeah. So yeah, where were we? No. Lots of karma. So yeah, so here that rewards and punishment, we need to understand that it is We parents give rewards and punishment to our kids, so why not God? Why not God? Is it wrong to give punishment? What, Adya? When were you last beaten by your parents? They never beat, huh? You don't remember, that's good. At least when they did scold you last time?
Today only.
so they scolded you, right? They scolded you. But have you felt that they are not well wishers of you since they scolded you?
At that time.
No, at that time, did you, no, even when they scolded you, did you realize that whatever they are doing, they are doing it for my good? At least that consciousness is there, right? Yes or no? Or for the sake of saying, you are saying yes. Tell me frankly. Yeah. So Prabhuji and Mother, we need to understand if we parents has a right to correct our children, whether it is, if we are giving more punishment means we actually love our kids. Is it not right, Sai? When we are giving more punishment, that means your parents are loving you, right?
Yeah.
Yes or no? Dilse?
Yeah.
Point is, always remember this even when you are scolded. At that time, don't forget.
తప్పు చేస్తే తప్పు చేస్తే తిట్టొచ్చు కానీ తప్పు చేయకపోతే తిట్టొచ్చు.
తిట్టదు. కానీ ఇంతవరకు తిట్టడం చేసినప్పుడు తప్పు చేస్తున్నప్పుడే తిడుతున్నారా లేదా?
తప్పు చేసేప్పుడు
తిడుతున్నారు. కానీ నువ్వు తప్పు చేస్తున్నావు నీకు తెలుస్తుందా?
తప్పు చేస్తున్నానే అంటే నేను అప్పుడు తెలుస్తుంది కొంచెం. అప్పుడు వేరే అది ఏంటి వేరే పదే ఉంటుంది.
Okay, that's okay. So we all use it, so why can't God? అయిపోతుంటుంది. అయిపోతుంటుంది. ఉండకూడదు. There are past life tendencies will be surely there. So God punishes us based on how much we take. We need to understand. This is a point, Prabhuji and Mataji, which we should think or introspect. ఆత్మ పరిశీలన చేసుకోవాల్సిన స్టేట్మెంట్ ఇది. ఏంటి? గాడ్ పనిషెస్ అస్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ హౌ మచ్ వీ కెన్ టేక్. మనం ఎంత తీసుకోగలమో అంత కర్మనే ఇస్తాడు. అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. భరించలేనంత ఇవ్వడు. యాజ్ ఐ సెడ్, అండ్ ఎనీథింగ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ అదేంటి, ఓన్లీ సూసైడ్ ఈజ్ ద ఓన్లీ థింగ్ విచ్ ఈస్ నాట్ వాట్ ఆర్ ద టర్మ్, టైమ్లీ డెత్. అన్టైమ్లీ డెత్ ఈజ్ ఓన్లీ సూసైడ్. Suicide is not planned by God at all. Some people have this impression that so God has written a destiny for one person to commit suicide at that time. No. You know what? Free will is such a wonderful thing that it can even go against God. Free will is given to us, and it's such a power that God has given to you to even go against Him. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఫ్రీ విల్ని తెలుగులో ఏమంటారు? ఫ్రీ విల్ని తెలుగులో ఏమంటారు? ఫ్రీడమ్. Anyway, yeah. So I don't know. I'm really sorry. I am not a Telugu medium student, so somehow I'm comfortable in. స్వేచ్ఛ.
స్వేచ్ఛ is freedom.
స్వీయ స్వేచ్ఛ. ఓకే అనుకోండి. స్వీయ స్వేచ్ఛ అనేది దేవుడు మనకి ఇచ్చాడు. ఏంటికి? దేవుణ్ణి ధిక్కరించడానికి కూడా అర్హత ఉంది. ఆ స్వీయ స్వేచ్ఛ కూడా ఈజ్ ద ఎనర్జీ ఆఫ్ గాడ్ ఓన్లీ, ఈజ్ గివెన్ టు అస్. నౌ ఇట్స్ అవర్ ఫ్రీ విల్ వెదర్ యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు చూస్ యువర్ ఆప్షన్స్ aligned with God or not. That's your choice. So God punishes based on how much we can take. If everything is instant karma, we cannot lead a stable life. God knows. If everything is given instant karma, how you will lead your life, God knows.
Suicide yes.
సో అందుకనే గాడ్ ఇన్స్టెంట్ కర్మ ఇవ్వడు. అదే ఇలాంటి తిక్క పనులు చేసుకుంటామనే ఇన్స్టెంట్ కర్మ ఇవ్వడు. ఓకే, అందుకనే ఇవ్వడు. ఎందుకంటే సూసైడ్ చేసుకుంటారేమో, అది కూడా ఆప్షన్ అవ్వచ్చు. అందుకని గాడ్కి తెలుసు ఏంటి నీకు ఎప్పుడు ఇన్స్టెంట్ కర్మ ఇవ్వాలి, ఎప్పుడు ఇన్స్టెంట్ కర్మ ఇవ్వకూడదు. ఇన్స్టెంట్ కర్మలు కూడా ఇచ్చేవి ఉంటాయి. మొన్న ఆటోలో చెప్పాను, ఐ థింక్ ఆల్రెడీ టోల్డ్ ఏ స్టోరీ. ఐ వాజ్ గోయింగ్ ఇన్ మై కార్, ఐ వాజ్ సీయింగ్ ఏ ఆటో వాలా అండ్ ఏ బైక్ వాలా, అండ్ bike wala was going in a road, and auto wala intentionally, since he was something happened. He was going slow since family members were there in a auto. So auto wala has overtaken him and he scolded the auto wala, saying that era bhai enti slow veltunna entra bhai. He scolded him, and immediately while he was scolding, by the time he has seen, he hit the wall and he he fallen. He met with a minor accident. Actually, he was not supposed to scold, right? The family members were there, one pregnant lady was there, so auto wala was going slow. So he was scolding auto wala, why are you going slow? And he scolded. Immediately, while scolding, he turned, while riding, he turned like that and was scolding, and he hit the wall and met with an accident. So that's an instant karma. So instant karma is also feasible, but God knows when to give instant karma and when not to give instant karma. So yeah, so if everything is instant karma, we cannot lead a life, simple life. Reactions are a reminder to check our future actions. Prabhuji and Mataji, what we should understand is this karma knowledge. I mean, we can't change the past. We can't change. Or is there a PowerPoint here, Prabhuji? PowerPoint later? Okay. Okay. So the thing is, reactions are reminder to our future. Yeah. Got it. Yeah. It's okay. So now, what we need to understand is, so these reactions are reminder to check our future actions. So when we say future actions, now with this knowledge of karma, what is there in our hand is not to change the past. Whatever the karma we have gained with the past, it is not there in our hand. At least we can be change our future with our actions. Yes or no? With our actions. At least with this knowledge, we can understand that what are we doing is right or not. And there might be situations in your life where you get a doubt whether this particular action, am I doing it good or not? That doubt you might get. I think some Mataji or Prabhuji last time asked. So there might be a dilemma. Then you should check with your known friends or especially gurus whom you can believe. Always their life would be throwing lot of situations in your life where there is a dilemma, what is correct and what is not. ఏది మంచా ఏది చెడా అని తెలియడానికి మనకు చాలా టైం మనకి కొన్ని సిచ్యువేషన్ అలా ఉంటాయి. అరే ఇది ఇలా చేస్తే రైటా కాదా అనేది. కానీ ఇట్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఇన్ అవర్ హ్యాండ్స్ ఆర్ యూ షుడ్ అప్రోచ్ యువర్ నోన్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఆర్ గురూస్ ఆర్ డివోటీస్ who can guide you well in these situations as per scriptures what is better for you to do. ఆ నమ్మకం ఉండాలి, ఆ ఫెయిత్ ఉండాలి. బట్ if we are having, if in our society, if you are in a situations where you are not having a friends with whom you can't even share sorrow, what kind of friends they are, right? Now that's where probably we should understand who are your good association. शराब पीने के लिए कंपनी देने वाले, पत्ता खेलने के लिए कंपनी देने वाले वो नहीं. लाइफ में आपका साथ देने वाले, आपका शुभ चिंतक जो होते हैं वो होते हैं आपके अच्छे फ्रेंड्स. यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड. ओके. नाउ कॉमनली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चंस अबाउट कर्मा. Commonly asked questions about karma. First, why there is so much injustice? Why law is not working on bad people? How many of you have this question? Why law is not working on bad people? ఎందుకు చెడ్డ వాళ్ళకే మంచి జరుగుతుంది? I think that's the translation of this question, right? ఎందుకు చెడ్డ వాళ్ళకే మంచి జరుగుతుంది? Why is good happening for bad people?
నాకు తెలిసి వాళ్ళు కర్మ వచ్చిన తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ లైఫ్ లో ఇంటర్నేషనల్ వాళ్ళకి అవుతాది.
ఓకే, రైట్, దట్ ఈస్ రైట్. ఇంకా ఓకే, యా, దట్స్ రైట్. సో హార్వెస్టింగ్ డస్ నాట్ ఫాలో ఇమ్మీడియట్లీ ఆఫ్టర్ సోయింగ్ ఆర్ వైస్ వర్సా, రైట్? ఇమ్మీడియట్లీ మనం వాట్ వి డూ ఆన్ ద ఫీల్డ్. హౌ మెనీ ఆఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ప్యాడీ ఫీల్డ్స్? అట్లీస్ట్ యువర్ గ్రాండ్ పేరెంట్స్. ఐ నో ఫర్ షూర్ యు ఆర్ నాట్ డూయింగ్ ఎనీ ఫీల్డింగ్ ఆర్ ఫార్మింగ్. ఎప్పుడైనా నాటావా? ఇప్పుడు నాటలేదు. ఇట్స్ గుడ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ యాక్చువల్లీ. ఓకే, సో వెన్ యూ సో ఎ సీడ్, will it fructify immediately? No, right? It will take some time. So that's what
it takes about like 8 to 9 days.
8 to 9 days for some plants, and there are some plants which take 1 year, and there is a plant which takes 7 to 8 years. You know that? Bamboo takes 7 to 8 years to fructify. అదాన్ని బొంగు అంటారు. బొంగే కదా అనేది.
ఇంకో చెప్పా, ఇది ఒక ఆఫ్రికాలో ఒక చెట్టు స్మోక్ కి అడాప్ట్ అయిన తర్వాతనే గ్రో అయిందంట. గ్రో
ఓకే.
హార్వెస్ట్ అయ్యింది.
Yeah, there are There are so many plants like that which have we don't know. There are special features. Yeah, that's good. So now the thing is, harvesting does not follow immediately after sowing and vice versa. Have you seen a silos? I mean, do you know silos? What silos is? Have you heard what silos is? మన ఊళ్ళల్లో పెద్ద పెద్ద గోతాలు ఉండేవి. అందులో దే యూస్ టు కీప్ ద సీడ్స్, అంటే storage seeds used to be there. Now there will be old seeds first, and the new seeds are sown, new seeds are put on top of it. So it is kind of a last in first out. So you might be putting on that storage very latest seeds, but when you try to open it, the old seeds come. Similarly that's the situation when you అరే నేను ఇంత మంచి కర్మ చేశాను, ఐ డిడ్ ఏ గుడ్ కర్మ, వై ఐఎమ్ గెటింగ్ బ్యాడ్ రిజల్ట్స్ అండ్ దిస్, సిన్స్ ద ఓల్డ్ థింగ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్, దే ఆర్ కమింగ్ అవుట్ నౌ.
That is
Silos, right?
first in first one. That where first is coming. That is first in first one.
First in first one, yes. Sorry, I used last in first one. LIFO, yeah.
LIFO.
FIFO. It's a our software term.
Just right.
It's not a medical term. It's a software term. FIFO, LIFO. First in first out. Okay, so like that. So silos used to store grains, release grains which are the oldest first. Okay, mills of God grind slow, but they grind really fine. Karma will find us and deal with us. You getting it right? Mills of God might work slow, but they are of a perfect quality, and they perfectly work. Our laws of government there might be some loopholes, but there is no loophole in the God's laws or karma, laws of karma.
కర్మకు ఒక దేవుడు ఉన్నాడా అసలు?
కర్మకు ఒక దేవుడు ఉన్నాడా? గుడ్. దేవుడు కృష్ణుడే దేవుడు, అండ్ కృష్ణ some task he delegates to Yamaraj. Okay, his time is over, ఉఠా ఉస్కో, తీసుకొచ్చి అంతే. మీ టైం అయిపోయింది యమా, కమాన్ బ్రింగ్.
That's police language.
Yeah, actually, sorry. In my language, my dad being a deputy superintendent of police, always some this police terminology comes in my thing. Yeah. So sometimes even in my office also I give examples related to police only mostly, so I can't help it. But that's the thing. So why there is so much injustice? Why law is not working on bad people? We need to understand. అరే ఇంటి ఎదురుకుండా ఒకటి చచ్చాడు, వాడు ఎప్పుడు తాగుతూనే ఉంటాడు, ప్రతి ఏడాదికి ఒక మంచి కారు కొంటుంటాడు, వాళ్ళ ఇంట్లో డీటీస్ లేవు, పూజలు చేయడు, వాడికి ఎప్పుడు చూసినా తాగుతూనే ఉంటాడు, వాడికి ఏం నష్టం జరగదు, అంత మంచిగా జరుగుతుంది. మనం ఏమైంది పూజలు పురస్కారాలు చేస్తుంటాం, అసలు మనం మంచిగా జరగదు, ఏంటి? వై ఇట్ డజంట్ హ్యాపన్ లైక్ దిస్? This is the reason. He might have done very good karma. Good karma he has done in his past life, that's why. And you know what? Listen to this. Is everyone there with me?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
If they say Hari Bol.
Hari Bol.
Okay. Thing is, the point what I wanted to convey is, if something negative is happening, listen to this carefully. If something negative is happening to us, it is actually good. Why it is good? Because it is burning your negative karma. Your negative karma is being burnt. And something positive is happening means it is actually not good, because your positive karma is getting less and less and less and less. And Prabhuji and Mataji make a note that actually nobody is happy here. నవ్వేవన్నీ నవ్వులు కావు, తర్వాత ఏంటి స్టేట్మెంట్? ఏడ్చేవన్నీ ఏడుపులు కావు. సో వీ మైట్ థింక్ దట్ అదర్స్ మైట్ బీ హ్యాపీ, బట్ ఇన్ దిస్ వరల్డ్ ఆల్రెడీ ఇట్ ఈస్ రిటన్ ఆన్ ఏ హార్డ్ స్టోన్. నో వన్ కెన్ బీ హ్యాపీ ఇన్ దిస్ మెటీరియల్ వరల్డ్. 100%. Actually, I used to have the dilemma before coming to KC. But after coming to KC, Prabhuji and Mataji, we need to understand that it's only a matter of full stop. Do you feel people living in bench car, Audis and all, they are happy? I think all are having.
Maybe temporarily they are happy.
Yes. their temporary happiness is there, but do you know what kind of things goes in their mind? There are some people in their rich people who think of killing their father, killing their brothers for getting the property. No, do you know? Probably might have been seeing lot of movies.
Aurangzeb.
ఒక క్వశ్చన్
ఆ దరిద్రుల గురించి ఏం చేశాను?
డివోటీస్ ఉంటారు కదా, డివోటీస్ కి పాజిటివ్ నెగటివ్ కర్మ ఉన్నదా? ఓన్లీ అకర్మ అనే ఉంటుందా?
Very good question. Claps.
What is the question?
Let me repeat the question. What he asked. Devotees who are there, will there be no positive karma or negative karma for devotees? That's what he's asking. Am I?
How do you get these deep questions?
No, he listens everything carefully.
Yeah.
Everything
Now-
is registered.
Now the thing is a very good question. Now earlier I told that if you do a positive karma, you will be going to heavenly planets, and if you are doing negative karma, you will be going to hellish planets. And only positive karma and negative karma you are thinking. But lot of people don't know. చాలా మందికి తెలియదు ఏంటంటే అపార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ మంచి కర్మ చెడు కర్మ కాకుండా అకర్మ అనేది ఒకటి ఉంటుంది. అకర్మ అనేది ఏంటంటే వాట్ డస్ దట్ అకర్మ మీన్స్ any work you are doing by keeping Krishna in center is called akarma. All the devotees whom you are referring to, the devotees or the brahmacharis who are there, they work 24/7 by keeping Krishna in the center.
So they only have akarma.
Oh, they only have akarma, and our goal is to increase the balance of akarma. Whatever the activity we do, we can make it akarma. Whatever the activity.
Prabhuji, if a devotee is born in this life, is going on getting a karma. What about this balance sheet, like the negative karma in the
Super.
past?
Prabhuji, coming to the point. Now, that's a good question. Please clap straight. Do you understand this question? Did you understand this question?
Yeah.
Shall I repeat? Let me repeat the question, Prabhuji. Let me know if it's correct or not. If a person is doing all Krishna-centric activities all his life, but he has some negative karma earlier, what will happen to his negative karma? Right? That is the question. Yes. Now, Prabhujis and Madhajis, listen to this carefully. If you are 100% akarma-centric devotee, because otherwise in this life, if you are not doing activity by keeping Krishna in center, either you will be accumulating positive karma or either you will be accumulating negative karma. These are the only two things which can accumulate. But if Krishna thinks that you are a person who is 100% dedicated to Krishna conscious activities, then Krishna is the only personality who can negate all the positive karma or negative karma within you. No other personality, supreme personality in this entire cosmos has that right, even Yamaraj.
Those devotees will not suffer because of the negative.
Already I told. The last time I repeated. Will the devotees not suffer? Prabhuji, you know what? We need to understand the basic foundation that ee lokamlo unnanduku idi dukkhalayam. This what are the material world we are living in? It is called dukkhalayam. Basic thing. And devotees also face problems. And pure devotees will face more problem. Someone quoted last time. Pure devotees will get more problem to show us that devotees also get problems, but they are happy. They are happy, bro. They are happy. I mean, I really do. I never used to believe that, actually, to be frank. Before coming to KC, this statement now, devotees or pure devotees or senior devotees, they actually face more problems and they are really happy. I didn't used to believe the statement. But being in KC for the last 7 years, I have personally seen devotees before. I have personally. Mataji, actually, you know what? For these devotees, Mataji, karma won't do. You know what? One more thing. Let me tell you. How many of you seen palmistry? దాన్ని ఏమంటారు? జాతకం చెప్పేవాళ్ళు. జాతకం I don't know English. ज्योतिष दिखाने के लिए हाथ చేయి చూపించడానికి हाथ दिखाने के लिए जाते हैं. not astrology.
Palmistry.
Okay, Jyotish.
Jyotish.
When we go give our hand to Jyotish, the Jyotish guy will see the hand of everyone. But if he senses that he is a devotee, he says that what to see of a devotee, Prabhuji, your lines would change. Devotees, Jyotish, they will never see Mataji. You check.
How do they know that?
Yes.
They
They know Mataji. If they are proper Jyotish Shastra is there, they will sense that they are devotees, and that karma effect won't be impacting the devotees, because Krishna is fully in charge of them.
So that means when devotees are facing problems, means they're not in the past or
Mataji, now this question, yeah, that might happen parallelly. Mataji, but he will not give a pain to them by giving the problems. It's a very difficult statement to take it actually. మనల్ని నిజంగా తీసుకోవడం చాలా ఇబ్బందిగా ఉంటుంది కానీ
I heard that problem intensity will be less when they
yes, no.
Suffering is
one. Suffering is there for everyone. Pain is optional.
that's our
Pain is optional, Mataji.
what I'm saying is God will give the intensity but less intensity to devotees.
No, Mataji. He will give that energy of accepting it, and the choice of pain is with him only. Mataji, for example, let me give an example. If a Sai is there, I don't know whether this example suits or not, let us assume. I'm just trying to give a crude example. Now, Sai has not listened to his parents, and he got onto the dining table. And while after getting onto the dining table, like that he was jumping and he fell, and he got an injury. Anyway, he's popular for getting injuries. Okay, he got injury. Now his parents told him, and he knows that there will be injury. Now again he is going, and who is doing the same act? I mean, will the now the suffering is there? He will again fall. Pain is there, but surely he will be coming to that acceptance that yes, I did a mistake by getting onto the table. Even parents told me don't get onto the table. After getting onto the table, I was not supposed to dance. I danced. I did a mistake, and I fell. And he is accepting that his suffering is there, but he is accepting. He came to a consensus with the pain. Pain is something optional. In ఏడవాలా వద్దా అనేది ఆప్షన్. యాక్చువల్లీ మన చాలా గ్రేట్ యాక్చువల్ అంత రక్తంగానే ఏడవవాడు.
ఎడిత్ ఎడ్గార్ అని ఒక బుక్ రాశారు, చాయిస్ అని, హోలోకాస్ట్ సర్వైవర్. Even though she was in the Holocaust and her parents, family, everyone were killed, she escaped death there. But she went through all that. But she wrote a book called Choice.
Yes, choice.
And she decided that she will still be happy or calm or blissful.
Suffering is by taking the pain is a choice.
Yeah,
You want to suffer, you'll suffer.
Same suffering, Mataji, you Pujita Mataji or Meena Mataji, 4 members suffering, same suffering is given, Mataji. The option of pain would be relative for each of you. It will not be equal, Mataji, for sure. It will not be equal. Now,
Depends on how you take
how you take it, Mataji. Now coming to the devotees, Mataji, yes, actually, Mataji, I have personally seen a lot of devotees going through a lot of pain, Mataji. A lot of suffering actually, but they are always happy. Now Leland Prabhu Mataji, Leland Prabhu is there. His father is bedridden. His back is not good actually. I took him to hospital 1 week back, to Care Hospital, Begumpet. He was there in hospital for 3 weeks. His dad is in bedridden for the last 3 years almost, and he is having a back problem. Last 2 weeks he is not coming to thing. Yeah, I took him to hospital.
I know, I've seen the messages.
Yeah, he was not there. I should not reveal all this. His kid is having a what is it? Type 1 diabetes. Every time he has to carry a box. I don't know who will be marrying him. Which girl will come in? Well, you are understanding, right? Well, the difficulty is
Even that kid looks happy.
that kid looks happy. I mean, now tell me, Mataji, are our problems more than that? I mean, I can show you devotees who are having more problems than this also. Sannyasi Maharaj, Bhakti Raghuswami Maharaj, for saving the deities of Krishna, he lost his leg from dacoits. They cut the leg. I mean,
So what is the reason that God has given suffering to the devotees?
Mataji, to give an example to others. to set an example for, especially for the pure devotees, Mataji, especially the sannyasi Maharaj, right? Diksha Maharaj, Mataji, I heard recently in a lecture, they are Nitya Siddhas. Nitya Siddhas means those Maharajas who are having that Diksha capability, they have come to this world to set a wonderful example for all of us. Actually, karma and everything, they don't work on them. They only came with a permission. Krishna, because to become an instrument in the Krishna's plan, for people like us, Krishna, no, నువ్వు ఎంత తట్టుకోగలవో నీ ముఖం చూసి నాకు చెప్తున్నారా నువ్వు నా ప్లాన్స్ తట్టుకోలేవులే అని Krishna knows. That's why he doesn't make us part of his big plans. He makes part of his big plans such a plan that he will make his devotee as a villain also. To show to the world, Bhishma Dev, he made him a villain. To show to the entire world, ఎంత గొప్ప మహాజనుడైనా సరే అధర్మం వైపు వెళ్తే గిన నువ్వు చావాల్సిందే, తప్పదు.
చాలా పెయిన్ తీసుకున్నారు.
They set an example, Mataji. Pure devotees also, they go through this. They set an example for everyone. That see what is the beauty of being in bhakti. పేరెంట్స్, అరే నా కొడుకులు నాకు, నేను పిల్లల్ని లవ్ చేయండి, పేరెంట్స్ లవ్ చేయదని అట్లా, కానీ అంతకంటే ఎక్కువ గాడ్ని లవ్ చేయండి. Because you will never get satisfied with your kids or parents. You can't satisfy them, or they will not be able to satisfy you. Mataji, Mahajans, Mataji, first of all, let us not compare us with Mahajans. As I told, there are only 13 Mahajans, and Bhishma Devi is one of the Mahajans, and there are some more. Janak Maharaj is one Mahajan, Dhruv Maharaj, Narada is there, Lord Shiva is Mahajan. So like that, there are total 13 Mahajans. They are not having free will. Yes, they are having free will, but when there is a God's plan, I mean, if he wanted to teach something, and if something sensitive things are there, Mataji, he need to utilize his devotees only, pure devotees only, to execute something in this world, to show to the world. People say, అంటే ఇదంతా మహాభారతం అంతా ఫిక్స్డేనా ప్రభుజీ, అంటే దుర్యోధనుడిని విలన్ చేయాలి కాబట్టి కృష్ణుడు అలా ప్లాన్ చేశాడు. నో, దుర్యోధన హ్యాస్ ఎ ఫ్రీ విల్ టు చేంజ్ ఇట్. Now, మరి దుర్యోధన had he accepted on that day, that had he given those 5 villages to them, అప్పుడు భగవద్గీత వచ్చేది కాదు ప్రభుజీ, వచ్చేది కాదు కదా అని కూడా అడగచ్చు. కానీ కృష్ణ నోస్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ పర్సనాలిటీస్ టెండెన్సీ. నువ్వు ఒప్పుకుంటావా ఒప్పుకోవా కృష్ణుడికి తెలుసు అంతే. ఇప్పుడు దుర్యోధన ఫ్రీ విల్ లేదా? ఫ్రీ విల్ ఉంది. హ్యాడ్ హీ యూటిలైజ్ దిస్ ఫ్రీ విల్, దట్ దుర్యోధన హ్యాడ్ హీ గివెన్ ద 5 villages టు పాండవాస్, దెన్ మహాభారతం జరిగేది కాదు కదా, భగవద్గీత జరిగేది కాదు కదా. నో, అప్పుడు కూడా జరిగేది. కృష్ణ నోస్ హౌ టు గెట్ ద భగవద్గీత రివీల్డ్. But Krishna also knows the tendencies of Duryodhana and all other personalities in Mahabharata, how they behave in each and every situation. And he was sure, though the option was given to him. But had he chosen those 5 villages, Krishna might have had another way to reveal Bhagavad Gita. For sure, Mother. For sure. Leela, but don't say that Duryodhana didn't had a free will to change the course of action. He had a free will to change the course of action. అంటే మనం చాలా మంది, lot of people get mistaken here is that means Krishna only planned, Krishna made Duryodhana to go against him. That is the reason why Mahabharata happened, because without Mahabharata how the Bhagavad Gita would have come. That's what a lot of people with ignorance, they think like that. No, that is wrong. Free will was there, and people have misused the free will to do that.
Some people say everything is scripted, like you are a part of that drama.
రాయబాన్ కెళ్ళింది అదే.
ఆయన చేసింది ఏం లేదు కదండి, ఆయన మంచిగా చెప్తాడు కదా.
అవతారం ఏమిటండి? భూభారత గతికుల కోసం.
No, Mataji, that's a no. The thing is,
It's a population thing.
yes, that's one act would be there, Mataji.
The purpose of business.
No, that the option was there, probably. Option was there to choose, Mataji, but he didn't choose. And he knows that he will not choose, but he was given an option. మన పిల్లలు కూడా అంతే కదా Mataji. So for
It's a
example,
bit complex, isn't it, probably?
no problem. For example, Sai is there, Mataji. Sometimes Meena Mataji might be knowing that Sai by knowing, I think she might be knowing him better for the last whatever the 10 years she has seen, and there might be some things, and she knows that he doesn't like it, but it is good for him, but still he will not like the option which is good for him, despite mother shows the option he will not choose, and mother also knows it, but she gives an option just to test whether he is choosing it or not. అవును మన పిల్లలు ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ అబౌట్ హిమ్ అతను నేర్పించడానికి. I mean, you're getting it right, Mataji. Mataji, it's not that complicated, Mataji. If we can apply this thing to our own family, Mataji, we'll understand, Mataji. Krishna, Mataji, he is not an enemy, Mataji. He's a well-wisher of everyone, Mataji. Even if he kills demons, Mataji, he kills for their good only. లేకపోతే పూతన లాంటి పర్సనాలిటీకి ఎంత జన్మ లేకుండా చేశాడు.
He gave option to Duryodhana
choose me.
him or his
చూస్ చేయకపోతే మనం ఏం చేస్తాం? దట్స్ వై ఫ్రీ విల్ ఈస్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ గాడ్స్ విల్. ఫ్రీ విల్ ఈస్ గివెన్ బై గాడ్ టు ఈవెన్ గో అగేన్స్ట్ గాడ్.
హిరణ్యాక్షుడి కొడుకుకి ఒక శాపం ఉంటే అతను కాదు తండ్రం వల్ల శాపం పోయింది.
నేను వెళ్ళలేదు రా, ఇప్పుడు నాకు గుర్తులేదు. హిరణ్యాక్షుడి కొడుకు ఎవరు, పేరేంటి? దట్స్ ఓకే, నాకు నేనైతే వెళ్ళలేదు, కనుక్కొని చెప్పు నాకు నెక్స్ట్ టైం.
ఇంకో చెప్పాయి అకర్మ ఉంటాయి, అకర్మ చెయ్యమన్నా మా నెగటివ్ కర్మ బర్న్ అవుతారా?
అకర్మ చేయటం, వాట్ ఎవర్ ద యాక్షన్ వీ డూ. No, this question, let me repeat this question what he was asking. By doing the akarma, will the negative karma burn? Do you understand the question? Very good question. By doing akarma, the negative karma burns. It will not burn, but Krishna has a his will. God, there is free will, there is God's will also. That will, in the 9th chapter we will discuss in detail, free will and God's will also. But Krishna can negate whatever the negative karma is there instantly in this janma itself. You are 100% surrendered to Krishna. Only he has the capability. No other god, even Lord Shiva doesn't have. I don't know, any Shiva Bhaktas are there, I am not sure. But only Krishna is having that ultimate power to take you out of this karma, positive karma. Because do you feel positive karma is good? Someone asked, Mother Teresa has done good job, no, what will happen to her? Mother, see, doing a good karma is not a bad thing. If no proper fund of knowledge, if someone is doing a good thing, it's good only. But if they are not, they are having a high knowledge, no, they will understand how the same good thing can be converted to a karma. Very easy, Mother, very easy. You think of an activity which can't be done by making Krishna in the center, and your life will not move on. Are you getting my statement? Any activity you can make Krishna in the center. You job karta, you can make your job as a Krishna centric job. My desk I have, I think I already told you, one Bhagavad Gita would be there, Srila Prabhupada's photo would be there, one Bhagavad Gita book would be there. So whoever comes, probably if a client or someone comes, hey Mahesh, what is this? They will ask. And I think I already told Melania Gomez, one of my client is there in Vodafone Australia. I will not be there on leave for 3 days, Melania. So I think already it's taken care. So no worries, all the changes requests will be handled properly. Don't worry about it. If anything is there, give me a WhatsApp call. I told, oh, vacation. I think you deserve it, Mahesh. By the way, where are you going to? I told Tirupati. Oh, Tirupati. What is Tirupati? And I told Tirupati is Supreme Personality of Godhead. Like when I was telling about Tirupati, she was googling what is Tirupati, who is Supreme Personality of. Oh, who's this Krishna and all? So 5 to 10 minutes SSR session I given to her. Just finding an opportunity. Akarma. Whatever conversation become akarma. That's it.
Prabhuji, one question. As you said, while doing anything, you just keep Krishna in
Yes.
center and it will be akarma.
Yes.
But our intention, our habits are not changing, right? How the things can be, I mean, it's basically it's little bit more.
No. Prabhuji's question. Anything we do, we can do by keeping Krishna in center. No. What I will do is, I'll keep Krishna photo and I will offer a cigarette to him. Krishna, I am having some habit, so please, I am offering this to you.
That old movie is given Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, drugs and all.
అంటే చెప్తున్నా, I mean, the thing, the foolishness కి పరాకాష్ఠ అంటారు చూసారా? I mean, తెలుగు, English, I did a khichdi.
Pinnacle of foolishness.
Pinnacle of foolishness. And no, I've seen actually my own mama, Mena. I mean, how ignorant they are. As I said, our complete village background, and my Menamama is full BD, not cigarette even, BD fan, Mandu fan, not even Marvel. Once 8 or 9 years back, I was not in KC at that time. I brought champagne. I don't know, I should not quote this. I bought a champagne 8 years back, and I given it to him. And he didn't like champagne. Champagne shade I don't want. He wanted Nadu Sara only. And while he left his body when he was buried, BDs, Nadu Sara, 2 bottles, it was kept and buried. Now coming to this your point only. Now, being in this session, Satsang Prabhuji Samadhi, at least we have a knowledge. What any activity, when I say any activity we do, it can be made Krishna-centric activity. Now tell me which.
Like in office, day to day, we have meetings and other things, and sometimes things are not going well, right?
Yeah.
So you have to, you have to be a little bit harsh,
Yes,
you have to
yes,
be done,
yes,
and then
probably we should be.
sometimes you have to play a little bit
Yes,
around, right?
Probably,
Not straight.
yeah, probably. First of all, we should, when we go to job every day, probably one day, daily once when we are doing offering or when we are going before office, have that consciousness developed that in this you are given job, Krishna, I am doing it for making my family survive. I am doing this job, and while doing this job, I might be harsh to someone to get the works done. Please excuse me if I'm something doing wrong. It's not intention of hurting anyone, just to get the work done, and I don't have any intention of hurting or taking revengeful attitude. With that intention, that consciousness, think about that prayer once for it. And I as a manager, I used to, the biggest team I managed was 200 team members now. 200 teams with 11 teams, 200 team members I managed. And there are a lot of instances like that. One girl, I think I already told, a classic example, one fresher who was not interested in working in a support domain, and she wanted to go to development. I wanted development, move me to development. Entamma nee age anta? Just see about this. No, what is your age? What is your age? I asked. Then she complained to HR, saying that manager Mahesh has asked my age. She complained. Then luckily that HR, she knows me well, and she called me and told me, Mahesh, be careful with Bhavani, and especially with the ladies in TCS, because it's a very lady-centric organization. So be careful, better to take one more lady from your colleague while you are discussing with ladies. But I didn't have any negative intention, and there might be some things, but at least each and every minute we can't think. But when we are going to a job daily, have that consciousness, that at least one prayer. Krishna, I think I'm doing this job for taking care of my dependents, and while in this journey, there might be a possibility where I need to be harsh. I have been harsh to my employees. I have been harsh, but at the same time I have been given opportunity to whom I scolded also. I never took that grudge for days. There are some managers who kindle me. That kind of managers also there.
Suspend this first.
There are that kind of managers, but we should be when we are God-centric. No, we should have that consciousness. If you wanted to scold, and you tell them what is the mistake you did, scold, and give them opportunity also. They should see you as a personality who not only thinks. Of course, there might be some that's my type of management. There are some managers who always smiles and discusses, and yanakala they will back. They will always smiling, and they will be talking. My type, I don't smile. When there is something harsh, that's because probably each and every manager has its own managerial style. My style is when there is I will be very polite, and when there are things are going wrong, I scold them. And I tell them these are the improvement areas, and you should improve. I will give a honest feedback, and I give an opportunity for them to improve. If something wrong, I will scold them. But there are some I have my own friends are there who are managers who never scold, who never show any angry face to them. But they, and you know what? Employees are also like that. There are some employees who like only smiling managers. Some employees don't like scolding managers. We are also youth, man. What is right he is having to this thing? I mean, the thing is, for your question, that little prayer before you go to a job should do, but that consciousness should be there. Let us not target an employee. अरे मेरे अगेंस्ट गया है इसलिए इसको मैं दिखाता हूँ क्या Let us not do that. That consciousness should be there. That makes entire your job Krishna consciousness.
Do you tell the employees directly to the employee that I don't mean to be harsh or
No, Prabhu, there is no need. Eventually, Prabhu, if they are genuine, Prabhu, they will realize with our way of working. And luckily, I mean, I got a good team wherever I went, Prabhu. To be frank, probably in the initial for 5 or 6 months, they might be having their own reservations. Some people might be very reserved in opening up with the problem. But with the kind of personality I am in, there are some instances where employees come and discuss their very private things also. Even lady employees also. Once they know me. But to gain their trust, they need to minimum they have to stay with me for 3 to 4 months. And I will never beg, I will never give my excuse as a Sanjay Shivanu. అమ్మ నేను అంత అలాంటి వాడిని కాదు నీ మంచి గురించి చెప్తున్నా అంత బెట్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు ఐ షుడ్ హ్యావ్ some kind of self-respect. I mean, they should understand a manager. It's not that at least that's my kind of style. That's my kind of management style. And sometimes my kind of management style might be failing in some environments. Who knows? There are some management who are always smiling. That also works sometimes. But my style is like that. And you should have your own style. Nothing wrong with it. Yeah.
Abuji, ఇప్పుడు ఇది కృష్ణుని మధ్య పెట్టుకొని చేస్తే అకర్మ అని చెప్పారు.
Yes.
మరి వేరే గాడ్స్ అంటే శివుడిని మధ్య పెట్టుకొని చేస్తే అదేమైతాయి?
శివుడిని మధ్య చేసుకోండి తప్పేం కాదు. ఇట్స్ నథింగ్ రాంగ్. His question is okay. You said that we gain akarma by doing every activity by keeping Krishna in the center. What if I do all the actions by keeping Lord Shiva in the center? Lord Shiva or Lord Bhavani or Lord Durga, I will keeping. What is wrong in
Lord
it?
Ganesha.
Lord Ganesha. What is wrong in it? Nothing wrong. You can do.
అప్పు మాకి అప్పుగా అకర్మ వస్తారా? వివేష్ తిరిగేది అకర్మ.
Now, when we are doing that, then we need to see all these demigods are pure devotees of the Lord. We need to understand. They are also pure devotees of the Lord. Right? Now ఒక క్వశ్చన్ చెప్పు. చెట్టుకు పండు గొప్పదా పువ్వు గొప్పదా? Which flower is important or fruit is important in a tree? For example, mango tree is there. Which is important? పండు గొప్పది. Now నేను పండు గొప్పది అనుకుంటే వర్కౌట్. కానీ పండుని ఇచ్చింది ఎవరు? కింద రూట్కి నీళ్లు పోస్తేనే పండు వచ్చింది. నువ్వేమంటున్నావు అంటే నేను నా పండే ఇంపార్టెంట్ అంటున్నావు. కానీ రూట్ లేకపోతే పండు వస్తుందా? రాదు కదా. అలానే పండు అన్ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాదు, ఇంపార్టెంటే. ఈవెన్ డెమిగాడ్స్ లైక్ లార్డ్ శివ ఆర్ గణేష, ఎవ్రీవన్ ఈజ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్, ఎవ్రీవన్ ఈజ్ గ్రేట్. But you need to understand that all are pure devotees of the Lord.
Pure devotees of the Supreme
Personality of
Personality.
Godhead, Krishna. Okay, they are pure devotees of the Lord, and there is nothing wrong in worshipping them. But even Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita that there is nothing wrong in worshipping demigods, but the way you are worshipping is wrong. ఆ శ్లోక గుర్తురావట్లేదు బాబు, గుర్తుంటే చెప్పండి. ఈ భగవద్గీత the శ్లోక is there. That demigod worship, there is nothing wrong about it, but you are not doing that worship properly. ఇప్పుడు వినాయక చవితి వస్తుంది మనకు మ్యాక్సిమం పాటలు ఏమొస్తాయి? విచ్ సాంగ్ దే ప్లే ఇన్ వెన్ వినాయక చవితి ఇస్ దేర్? దేవా హో దేవా గణపతి దేవా తుమ్సే బడ్కర్ కౌన్ అంటారా? విన్నావు పాట? But this song is also very popular, and lot of devotees might be knowing it. But what is the meaning of that song? Tumse badkar kaun. That means Ganesha, you are the ultimate. అని మనం చెప్తున్నట్టు. బట్ గణేష ఎందుకురా నన్ను ఇది చేస్తున్నావు? హీ విల్ బి క్రైయింగ్ ఇన్సైడ్. ఐ హ్యావ్ రిటన్ స్క్రిప్చర్స్ ఫర్ కృష్ణ, అబౌట్ కృష్ణ, హౌ ఐ కెన్ బి గ్రేట్. హీ విల్ బి ఫీలింగ్. So there is nothing wrong in worship, but if you wanted, there are some devotees who love Lord Shiva, who love Vinayaka. Nothing wrong about it. But how do you need to worship? Is Ganesha, please give me a devotion towards Supreme Personality, to whom you worship. Please give devotion to him. Because Lord Ganesha is not having a power to cut your karmic cycle. No.
To cut your karma or maintain karma. He doesn't have the opportunity to maintain.
Or even power, discretion. He doesn't have a discretion to cut or eradicate your karma cycle.
He
No other demigod, either Lord Shiva or Ganesha, no one has that eligibility to cut your karma cycle. But for example, at this instance,
ఒక చెప్పాలి ఇప్పుడు కుబేరుడు ఒక ముందు లైఫ్లో పెద్ద తాగుతారు కానీ ఏమైందంటే అమావాస్య రోజు అమావాస్య రోజు శివుడు గుడికెళ్ళి ప్రసాదం లైక్ హీ వాస్ స్టిల్ ప్రసాదం సో దట్ టైమ్ సమ్ లైక్ ఫైర్ గాట్ గాన్ ఆన్ ద దీపం మీద ఫైర్ ఆడిపోయింది దాంతో అది అతని డ్రెస్ నుంచి ఒక పీస్ చింపి దాన్ని అనిపించాడు దాంతో అతను హెవెన్లీ ప్లానెట్స్ కనుకుండా ఇంకో బర్త్ వచ్చింది అంటే ఇంకో జీవితం వచ్చింది
ఇంకొక లైఫ్ వచ్చింది కానీ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ అతను ఎవరికి పూజించాడు, ఎవరిని వర్షిప్ చేశాడు? శివాకి వర్షిప్ చేశాడు. కానీ వేరే లైఫ్ వచ్చింది కానీ హీ ఈజ్ నాట్ గాన్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ద బర్త్ అండ్ డెత్ సైకిల్, రైట్? మళ్ళీ ఇంకొక జన్మ వచ్చిందిగా. ఎందుకు వచ్చింది? లార్డ్ శివకో లార్డ్ గణేషకో ఎవరికి చేసినా బర్త్ ఇంకోటి వస్తుంది. నీ బర్త్ లేకుండా చేయలేరు వాళ్ళు. కానీ కృష్ణ ఒకడే నీకు బర్త్ లేకుండా డైరెక్ట్గా వైకుంఠం అవ్వాలని తీసుకెళ్ళండి. ఓన్లీ కృష్ణ ఒకడే చేయగలరు, మీరు వేరే గాడ్ ఎవరు చేయలేరు.
శివుడు ఎందుకు అంత అలా చేశారు?
శివుడికి ఆ క్యాపబుల్ అంటే దాన్ని ఏమంటారు, శివుడికి చేంజ్ చేసే శక్తి లేదు. నీ కర్మని చేంజ్ చేసేంత ఇది లేదు. ఏ గాడ్కి, ఏ డెమి గాడ్కి లేదు. నీ కర్మని చేంజ్ చేసుకునేది నువ్వే. నీ వల్లనే కర్మ వస్తుంది. వేరే గాడ్ ఎవరు నీ కర్మని అక్యుములేట్ చేయట్లా. నువ్వే కర్మను గెయిన్ చేసుకుంటున్నావు. నువ్వు చేసే యాక్షన్స్తోనే గుడ్ కర్మ, బ్యాడ్ కర్మ అనేది నువ్వే క్రియేట్ చేసుకుంటున్నావు. దేవుళ్ళు క్రియేట్ చేయట్లా. అర్థమవుతుందా? దేవుళ్ళు ఎవరి కర్మను no demigod will create a karma for any living entity. The living entity he can store it, or he can guide you, and he can give punishment accordingly to, or he can give rewards according to your karma, but he cannot create a karma for you. You only are creating karma for yourself. Okay? Yeah. I don't know. From somewhere to somewhere we went. We landed up somewhere. So yeah, any more questions?
So he was saying, if we pray the demigods, will we get a karma or not?
No, we will not.
We won't get
We will
it.
not. Okay. So yeah, meals of God. That's what the first question was. Second question: why some people flourish permanently? As I think already, no need to further dig. No one flourishes permanently, as nothing is permanent in this world. Prabhuji and Mataji, this is not something we should feel proud that I am in a very good position, or you should not be in a, for example, some bad timings are going on, and there might be a possibility or tendency might be there. That guy is, everything is good is happening. What is there? But you need to understand that no, it is not happening, and it is not our duty to worry about others, because in this material world no one can be happy forever. And God sends this difficulties also to remind Baba, this is not your world. This is not your world, Baba. Please. One IIT topper student. My dad, I requested my dad to take along with him because he was planning to arrest him due to whatever reasons. I took him. I went along with my dad. And my dad arrested an IIT student who was working in a big position in one of the banks for some scam. I mean, try to understand all this, Mother. No one is happy, and whatever they show, no. मैं अपने बच्ची को 7 crore लगा के मैरिज किया అవన్నీ అంటే బోగస్ మాటలు ఇవన్నీ. కనుక్కున్నారు, ఇది కొనుక్కున్నారు, ఇంత బ్రహ్మాండంగా పెళ్లి చేసి ఏదంటే అదేదో ఆకాశం అంత పందిరి, ఇదంతా ఇస్త్రీ, అదేదో అన్నీ. I don't remember the exact dialogue, but all this very holy satisfaction. And if they are going through this happy cycle for some time, that means it is nearing its time to get some negative thing. I mean, I'm not praying for that. But it's not for us. Now let me take my own family.
అంటారు కదా, ఒక మంచి తర్వాత ఒక చెడు వెంటనే
జరుగుతుంది మరి.
మనం బాగా నమ్మేమంటే వెంటనే ఏడుస్తాం.
Mataji, we need to understand that it's not our duty to worry about others, that why negative is not happening for them. It's not our duty.
But it's human tendency.
Human tendency, that's what actually, there's nothing, actually, no, if not anything, old age, death, disease, can someone,
Definitely.
if someone can escape?
Oh, I know.
If nothing is there, can anyone escape this four? Then why to worry about whether something, why bad is not happening? It is not our, but if something bad is happening for someone, it is our duty as a devotee to be there with them. Because in this material world, only with association we can be there. My family, Mataji, I was observing the trending cycle, okay, in the at least from last 60 years. I observed that every 12 to 13 years in our family, one person leaves on our family. And I observed since 1980s, my Menata died. Exactly after 12 to 13 years, my auntie's 2 kids died. Exactly after 13 years, my aunt died. And exactly in another 10 years, my sister died. And now it's a period of 12 to 13 years. I'm gone now. 13th year right now going. My sister died in 2009. Now we are somewhere nearing actually. I mean, I don't know, Krishna, since we were not there in KC at the time, not sure, but Krishna might be planning something, I'm not sure. But you know, please be practical. Everyone has to leave one day. Okay?
ఈ కృష్ణుడు ఉంటాక when Ashwamedha killed four like
Five.
5 sons, 4 or 5
Huh.
5 sons of Pandavas,
Huh.
then Krishna cried, right?
Hmm.
Then Krishna cried.
Correct. Yes.
Did Krishna cried in any other time?
Krishna cried anything, yes, he cried. When Yashoda Ma was going around to beat him in Damodarashtakam, when he was stealing butter and Damodarashtakam, you know, in that time when Yashoda Ma was going to beat him and he was roped on his waist. పట్టేసుకొని అప్పుడు ఏడ్చాడు, కొట్టింది ఏడ్చాడు.
ఆ వెన్న దొంగ ఇచ్చే తాత నారాయణ కాకుండా యశోదమ్మ వచ్చి
అప్పుడు కూడా ఏడ్చాడు. Okay, so anyway, so this is the point. No one flourishes permanently, as nothing is permanent in this world. Next, everyone is subjected to old age disease. No one can escape that. Till good karma is in the stock, one can get good results in spite of bad acts. And repeated cycles of such good and bad reactions induces one to think. So Manam, when we are getting this knowledge, at least we should think that at least we have to plan our life in such a way that we are doing akarmic activities. Now we can think any activity we can do, we can make it akarmic activities in our lives. Do you think, are you sensing anything that we can't do anything akarmic? Are you thinking, Prabhuji, how to do this activity akarmic? Anything actually, to survive with a simple mind, simple desires, we can survive easily. Actually. Okay. Next, why incarnation is related to karma? I think there is nothing, everyone knows instant karma means cause and effect in the same life. When one does not see reactions for his actions, it means they are moved to next life. For example, what are the negative things you are doing? If you are not seeing reactions in this life, means it is moved to the next life for sure.
Prabhuji, if because of karma with the knives increase and decrease.
What is it? Come here.
See, ఇప్పుడు మా కర్మ వల్ల మా నైఫ్స్ పెరుగుతాయి లేకపోతే తగ్గుతాయి. నిన్న ఇసాయి
ప్రతి ఒక్క లైఫ్లో నువ్వు చేసిన పాస్ట్ లైఫ్లో చేసిన పాజిటివ్ కర్మ, నెగిటివ్ కర్మ, వాట్ ఎవర్ ఆర్ దేర్, కృష్ణ విల్ ఫిక్స్ ఇన్ దిస్ లైఫ్ హౌ మెనీ ఇయర్స్ యూ నీడ్ టు లివ్. And don't think that whatever the negative or positive karma you have done previously, all those things are accommodated in this life only. No. But
he divides it into
it-
part
uh,
and gives.
gives.
Is
And if you want in this life itself, you can go back home, back to Godhead. Without you can avoid all the next lives also.
Is that called prarabdha karma?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, Prabhu. Yes.
కర్మకి నెగటివ్ కర్మ ఉంటారా?
Negative karma. Yes.
నెగటివ్ కర్మ ఉన్నప్పుడు
Vikarma. Negative karma ni vikarma అంటారు.
వికర్మ ఉన్నప్పుడు మనం ఒక నైఫ్ తో చాలా కర్మ చేసాం.
Hmm.
అప్పుడు దాని ముందు నైఫ్ తో వికర్మ చేస్తే మాకు ఇంకో బర్త్ వస్తానే ఎక్కువ బ్యాక్ హోమ్ బ్యాక్ టు బర్త్
అలా ఏం లేదు. నువ్వు మళ్ళీ కొత్త లైఫ్ వచ్చినప్పుడు దెర్ ఇస్ ఎ పాసిబిలిటీ అగైన్ యూ కెన్ డూ సమ్ నెగిటివ్ కర్మ, రైట్? అది కూడా దానికి కూడా బ్యాలెన్స్ చేయాలి. నువ్వు కొత్త కర్మ యాడ్ చేసుకుంటూ ఉంటావు.
వాట్ ఈస్ సేయింగ్ ఈస్ ఈ జన్మలో పోయిన జన్మలో వికర్మ చేసి ఉండొచ్చు, ఈ జన్మలో మొత్తం కర్మనే చేసామనుకోండి, మనం గోలోకానికి వెళ్తామా లేక మళ్ళీ జన్మ
కానీ
ఉంటుంది.
అదే మొత్తం అకర్మ చేసావనుకో, కృష్ణ నోస్ నువ్వు పర్ఫెక్ట్గా అకర్మ చేసావా లేకపోతే
ఒకవేళ
cheating చేసావా?
చేస్తే.
చేస్తే మాత్రం ఖచ్చితంగా హీ విల్ టేక్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ యూ వితౌట్ హ్యావింగ్ ఎనీ వర్క్. హీ విల్ టేక్ యూ బ్యాక్ హోమ్, బ్యాక్ టు గాడ్ హెడ్. he should get, because he knows ये cheater है या नहीं cheater है, he knows. Right? For example, నువ్వు మీ అమ్మ నాన్న దగ్గర ఏదో సాధించడానికి సంథింగ్ to get some work to be done, you might be playing lot of acting in front of your mother and father, but your dad is dad, right? Your dad is dad, so he knows when you act, whether you are acting or it's a genuine request, he knows, right? Yes or no? So similarly, God knows whether he is very sincere soul and he did all the karma and he is very serious in getting back to him or not. He knows, so he will take you in this life itself, despite you are having lot of negative karma and positive karma balance also. Got it?
Yeah.
So why should I suffer for sins of past life? Same, I think this answer is already answered in our discussion. Why should I suffer from sins of past life? Every seed fructifying time is different. Bongu anedi 7 to 8 years it takes to come out. It doesn't mean that I have sown a seed and why it has not fructified? Why it has not fructified? Each and every, there is every possibility that each and every karma might take its own course of time. You are not to decide, but Krishna knows when to get it fructified. Okay? Why does not God give all reactions in the same life? I don't want to dwell into this. I think this question is already answered. But still, anyone has any question? Please ask.
So, for example, Dhritarashtra, that person, in whichever life he would have been called different names. Now he decides to become Krishna conscious, for example.
Yes.
That kind of person. And he does all akarma, devotional service, all kinds of devotional service. Can he escape all that?
Yes, he can escape. For example, he killed all the bird kids,
Bird.
right? Next life, somehow he exercised his free will properly, and he was very sure that no, all this thing nonsense, I did it. I think bhakti is the only one which can save me, and he wanted to dedicate his life 100% to Krishna conscious and to Krishna. And in his very next life, he dedicated his life to Krishna, and he has become Krishna conscious, and he has been doing all akarma only. That Krishna can negate it, and he would have taken Dhritarashtra to his abode permanently. Yes, he would have done that.
Then what
That
will
was his
happen to
question.
the bird?
Huh?
Then what will happen to the bird?
Birds.
Yeah.
Krishna has his own plan of those birds also. He might, who knows, he might have given them human life to exercise self-realization, get back. He knows, he has his own plans. First basic point, Prabhu, you need to understand that Krishna is not against any living entity. Not only humans, any living entity he is not against. And whatever the animals are there, we need to understand that they are only burning their negative karma by being in that body. Okay, what happened to that chicklets which got killed with Dhritarashtra? Had Dhritarashtra realized self-realization and become Krishna conscious, Krishna would have taken him, and Krishna might be having his own plans of all 100 chicklets, and the mother who was seeing it, he might be having his own plans to take care of it. It's not us to decide. Okay? Yeah. So the way action and reaction work is, yeah. Common questions about Krishna. Now, I don't understand the relation between the reaction and action. Why am I not told my sin before I am punished?
That question, if you rephrase it, suppose
Yes.
somebody did a murder, for example, and then he was not caught for 5 years.
Yes.
In those 5 years, he lost his mind. He doesn't even remember that he's done this murder. But he's caught after 5 years. And then he's punished. Now, when he's punished, he doesn't even know that he's done it. That's how it is. Or Janma and all this punishment.
Yes.
So why that? It's the same question.
Yeah, Prabhuji, the thing is, if he has, now let me take the example with the prisoner only. If he has done the sin and he has escaped, he is leading a good life after murdering also. So he has a good karma to burn Prabhu. He has a good karma for burning. He has enough good karma which he has done in the past life to prolong for the next 5 years. And after the 5 years, suddenly memory loss happened. He forgot. Krishna is having his own plans of how to treat him with interest. He has plans, Prabhuji. He has surely plans, and it is Krishna to see whether he will be taking care of him, whether taking care, not in a surely he is not a devotee, surely he is not performing akarma, and he knows whether he has to deal him, he can make in such a way that he can bring his memory back and give him punishment. He knows his tendencies and
Rangasthalam.
yeah, Rangasthalam. He can make, but Krishna, Prabhuji, you can't imagine how intelligent is Krishna, and don't underestimate the power of Krishna. If he is willing, he can make his memory back, and he can make him realize he is doing wrong, and he can give a punishment with interest to him, and he will not regret it also.
Yeah,
And but still he is having, now let me add another clue to your question, Prabhuji, and he got a memory, and he genuinely realized that he did a mistake 5 years back, and he realized that God conscious path is the ultimate path, and only Krishna can save him, and he got realization, and for next 1 year, or say next 1 day, he sincerely performed. That sincerity, he should impress Krishna. Krishna can take him in this level of freedom.
That's clear, probably.
Yes.
Now, that is in this life. That is. But what we have done in my previous life, or any one of us,
Yes.
we don't even remember what we have done.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes,
So, punishing in this life, is it fair?
Probably that's a blessing, Prabhu. We should understand that you are not remembering is a blessing. If you
I
remember,
understand that.
yeah, because
We should know that we have done something. That's the reason we are here.
Yeah.
So we have done something. Instead of trying to find out what is that something, let's accept and beg to Krishna. Whatever we have done, let's ask forgiveness and be Krishna conscious. Whatever it is, if we know it's a bigger problem, as Prabhuji explained.
Yes.
So whatever it is something. Let's beg mercy for that and get into this.
And Prabhuji, our sin has become
Sanchita Karma.
not only previous life, Prabhu.
Hundreds of
Hundreds
lives.
of lives.
Thousands.
Also,
Can you remember?
I was reading Garud Puran, so like we don't remember. Why don't we remember? So when a soul is given a body, that time body is told, you are giving this body, this is what you have done. So soul promises that when I get into this world, I will pray for you and all these things. Even when we are in the womb, Bhagavatam says that we keep praying and all that. But the moment we take birth, we fall into
Maya.
3 modes of,
Yeah.
and then we forget it. So
So
we
Prabhuji-
know, but what we don't know.
Yeah. So Prabhuji, it's a good that we are forgetting, Prabhu. It's a, you personally, Prabhu, you can go. I referred from Bangalore one lecture, one head, right? Chitra Ramanujan, I think. Some lady is there. These the proven cases actually. The people who remember their past lives. You can go and meet them in person actually. You will, what is that? What kind of drama? They will not have any fun. They will not be in a situation to enjoy naturally. And it's a very, very big. And Krishna knows, Prabhu. If you remember how pathetic it will be for you, Krishna knows. That's why you will not. And it's a blessing you remember. Blessing that you are not remembering.
You can never enjoy our life and earn a karma.
Yes.
కోపంతో
Surely you will become a preacher.
He's next orbit. He's next orbit.
Next orbit. Okay. So why I am not told, my son, I am punished for? Innumerable lives and actions are combined into reactions and then divided based on our ability to face. Just because we know our past sin does not stop us from still performing our actions. No one can wake up and start a new day when he knows what all he will face without hope. These are very deep statements, Prabhuji, and we see very logical also. Okay? So, yeah, I wanted to continue. I hardly 2 slides more today. It's 8 now. Yeah, let me stop it here. Any questions? I mean, with this pace we are going, I really doubt for next 2 months it will also go or not.
But if this concept is clear, 50% concepts are clear.
Prabhuji, what we need to make understand, Prabhuji, future is in our hands. Past you can't change. At least, and we don't know in next life whether you will be getting a human life also. There's no guarantee. At least science has only in the last 20 years, I think I already told you, 20 years, they have proved only till that point that if a person dies, he will be taking another birth as a human. But it is not right. Already Bhagavatam told it's not only humans, it can take birth in any of the 84 lakh species. So when a human birth is given, it is a chance for you to get out of this material world.
Like Duryodhana, you said Krishna knows his tendencies. Or sure he knows.
Yes.
Like, are these tendencies given by God to people based on their karma as well?
Very good question, Prabhu. Can you repeat your question?
Krishna knows that Duryodhana's tendencies are like
Like
this.
this, yes.
Even though if I go for Sandhi, yeah,
Hmm.
what is it called in English?
Shanti Dika?
Treaty.
Hmm?
Peace treaty.
Peace treaty.
Peace treaties.
Even though if I go, he is not going to act.
Yes, yes.
He knows that.
Hmm.
Yeah. So such tendencies, like I see some people, 20 years ago they have lost in shares. Again 10 years ago they have lost in shares. Again this year also they lose in shares. They lose to the extent of 1 crore also. But they will not learn. Their tendency is to gamble. So such tendencies are also based on our karma.
No, the tendencies are only based on us only. It's not a something written. It is him only. Now, how he can come out of it, Prabhuji? The tendencies. First, the soul has to realize that this particular tendency is wrong. Is wrong. Now, to remove the tendency, first of all, he need to get realized through intelligence, through association of devotees, through scriptures, through prasad, through blessings of devotees. Do you think, Prabhuji, sincerely feel that you have come to this satsang or to this Krishna conscious activity by your own? No, Prabhuji. You might be thinking that Himanshu Prabhu has floated this message and you have come. But there is a lot of other unknown or invisible factors, like lot of acharyas or gurus or who knows, gurus might have prayed for you in your past life.
We don't know. And I thought Zenith is my worst investment in this flat. Now I think it is the best one.
Thank you, Prabhu. Very good.
But to his question, but based on our past karma, we get this body and loss. In the past, some of lives, the person would have squandered some lakhs of crores of money from someone else, and this life, he is by losing this money, he is repaying that debt, right? So he is not. So I had the same question, but are these tendencies not because of our past karmas, and this losing money is not? Is it not because of? Is it not because of in the previous lives, this guy must have taken money from someone, or did govern from someone, and in this lifetime he is repaying by
Yes.
losing that money.
This is
Prabhuji,
called
yeah.
Runanubandha.
Prabhuji, Runanubandha, if it is there, Prabhu, now your point is valid, Prabhu. But we need to understand with our intelligence and Vedic knowledge, what we need to understand is, now you should not feel, as a person, you should not, మొత్తం జూదంలో ఓడిపోయాక రుణానుబంధం ఉన్నదిలే కాబట్టి పోయిందిలే నో the same thing. If you gain, will you think like that?
No.
If you gain money, will you think like that?
Oh, it's our thing.
Yes.
No,
We did
no,
it.
only when we think, when something negative happens, then only we think, sarele, there are Runanubandha, I was supposed to pay them, it has lost nothing, then only we think. But if he gains, no, yeah, Swayam Krushi, clever my brain.
Yeah. Yes.
That's how he thinks. But we need to understand, Krishna in that way balances, but he has given that intelligence. He has given that intelligence that in scriptures, this particular thing, whatever you are doing, is wrong as per scriptures. Now, for that to negate, he might assist you with a good wife who is having a pious nature, or he might be giving an association of good devotees to tell you that it is wrong, Baba, please, how to come out of that addiction. He might give you intelligence, but if you are still not using intelligence, నీ మూర్ఖత్వానికి పరాకాష్ఠని ఎవడు హెల్ప్ చేయలేడు. ఈవెన్ గాడ్ హెల్ప్ దెమ్సెల్వ్స్. దిస్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఈస్ వెరీ మచ్ వ్యాలిడ్. గాడ్ హెల్ప్ దెమ్సెల్వ్స్ who help themselves. God helps those who help themselves.
Prabhuji, father to son also, they say, like, that son is born
Yes.
to us and we are spending like anything for them.
Yes.
That is also because of some Runanubandha.
Yes, undi bro. Yes, that is
So-
there, bro. That is there.
Yeah.
Yes.
So if somebody is not giving you back money, should I write it off because I don't want to be his son?
No,
I know one person who has not.
No, bro.
not
No,
given back.
Runa, you are very right point, Prabhu. But that's why better to not have it. No, that is right, Prabhu. If your debts you are having, they are going to you are inviting another relation in future with them. So
I
better.
have a very good friend.
No.
His friend for 20 years. He has taken some substantial amount. He is not returning. But I don't want to become his son.
Yeah. Prabhuji,
So
yeah.
what should I
No, that's not Prabhu. No. Prabhuji, you know what? Above all this, Prabhu, above
So
all this.
I wrote it off in my mind. So I'm not asking.
No.
I have no malice
Go
for
to
it.
Krishna and then tell to
Prabhuji,
Krishna.
Prabhuji, you know
Tell
what?
to Krishna.
Prabhuji, more than that, Prabhuji, if you are doing akarma and in this life you are completely Krishna conscious and you are dedicating your life to Krishna, all these things will be negated. Negated, Prabhu. But it doesn't give you a liberty.
Then also you have to
Forgive. You should not carry a grudge against by leaving. Friend okay, let us
He's
assume
still my
Himanshu.
friend.
Okay.
He might come
No,
there
Prabhu.
అందులో ఉండొచ్చు.
No. But the thing is, Prabhu, while you let us assume your friend name is Himanshu. No, at the time of leaving, na koduku Himanshu gaadu naaku that revenge mode.
లేదు.
So that
ఇప్పుడు కూడా లేదు.
Prabhuji, the thing is, our clarity undali, and you always have an option of coming out of the cycle itself.
I actually think he gave me a good lesson for only 5 lakhs.
But I'm saying, Prabhu, you're getting right. I mean, there is always option of getting out.
Yes.
I mean, if you still wanted to do that, you wanted to live and you still wanted to enjoy, well, our lives are created like that. Now, if you go out of this, Prabhuji, what car you are having, Prabhu? What car you have? Tata Nexa. Very cheap, And when he go out and sees BMW, BMW, enta bagundo, but you are getting registered with one more life to enjoy that BMW.
Oh my God.
Yes, Prabhu. The desires, whatever the desire you are having, that to fulfill that desire, you need to take another life, because in this life you can't get BMW.
No, that's why I don't have any desire.
No, in the next life, if you get a BMW.
Honestly, I never get attracted. Merc I have driven, but I don't get.
In his case, he doesn't have any desire. What happens then?
Prabhu,
No, attract Kanu. Suppose he has a whatever, whichever big car. I don't feel jealous or anything. I don't feel like.
ఆ
oh,
సినిమాలో
Prabhu,
మగధీరలో మళ్ళీ పుడతాడు, మళ్ళీ కోరిక తీర్చుకోవడానికి మళ్ళీ పుడతాడు.
Prabhuji, Krishna knows your weak point, Prabhu. You might not be interested in cars, but he knows your weakness.
This only is my weakness.
No, Prabhu.
Spirituality is
Prabhuji,
my weakness.
Prabhuji,
That is-
no, that's not a weakness, Prabhu.
That is the biggest strength.
That is the biggest strength.
If not only
Actually, you know what?
My problem is like some sloka will be going on in my mind 3 o'clock of the morning.
That's a very good thing, Prabhu. That's a very good thing. But try to understand, Prabhu. Krishna, your parents or your kids might not understand. But Krishna knows because without any weaknesses, no one would be here, Prabhu.
No, just so today you said a few statements. Krishna knows how much problem
Yes.
one can.
Yes.
I have said so many times to her.
Huh.
When I went first to the UK, I had a few months, 3 months or something. Then I was working in a vitamins making factory. After 2 weeks, I got my actual doctor job. So I was telling myself, Krishna knows how much I can take. He thought this fellow
Yeah.
can't take anymore.
Yeah.
He gave me the job.
Yeah.
Like that I was thinking.
Yeah.
And you were saying that,
Yeah.
I was remembering that.
No,
Some
but
25
actually,
years ago.
probably, yeah, probably, I mean, people, we are prone to a lot of desires actually. Actually, we in a community, being in satsang, Prabhuji, actually, your next life is assured of basic amenities. Roti, kapda, makan, there is no need to worry.
Set.
No need to worry at all, especially when being in this satsang or attending this spiritual, showing some interest, Krishna will for sure take care of these 3 things. But that is not our goal. Our goal is to not have birth itself.
Sometimes I feel like this kind, is it vairagya? Like I don't get attracted to any kind of material things. And I think, is it right or wrong?
Prabhuji,
Then
Prabhuji,
I,
గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటుంది.
But then probably relationship with kids and all that you have to see each other.
Prabhuji,
kids is there.
That is also
there are lot of things. Prabhuji, only it's not material. There are lot of things.
Kids attachment is there, parents attachment.
Attachment is there. Yeah.
That is very strong.
Yeah.
That is very strong.
Actually, you are reminding of my wife actually.
Hmm.
My wife.
I know, but she's right in front of you. Why you need to be reminded?
No, when you are quoting this statement, you know. Anyway, so yeah.
Regarding karma,
Yes.
you said positive karmas అయితేనే మంచిది కాదు, నెగిటివ్ అయితేనే
Yes.
వర్క్ చేస్తాము అన్నారు.
పాజిటివ్ కర్మ మంచిది కాదు, నెగిటివ్ కర్మ కూడా మంచిది కాదు.
మంచిది
కాదు.
సో బీయింగ్ కృష్ణ కాన్షియస్,
Yes.
కీపింగ్ కృష్ణ ఇన్ అవర్ మైండ్,
Hmm.
సపోజ్ వీ టేక్ దిస్ ఫ్లాట్,
Hmm.
సో బీయింగ్ ఇన్ కృష్ణ కాన్షియస్ మనం ఏం కోరుకుంటాం, ఇది తీరుకోవాలి, లైక్ లోన్ తీరుకోవాలి,
Oh.
లేదా సమ్ ప్రాబ్లం,
Oh.
జాబ్ మంచిది కావాలి,
Oh.
బీయింగ్ ఇన్ కృష్ణ
Yes.
కాన్షియస్నెస్. సో ఒకవేళ జస్ట్ ఇన్ కేస్ అది తీరిపోయి ఒక పాజిటివిటీ జరిగితే అది మంచి కింద వస్తుందో మనది.
Mataji, see, let me reframe your question. So you have taken a flat here. You have taken a flat here, and now you are taken some loan for this flat. Now clearing that loan is a good thing only, right? It's a good thing only. But it's good thing from which aspect? Are you living with a consciousness that this is my flat? Now there are so many devotees who have taken opulent flats and they have dedicated their flat to Krishna, and they named their flat with some name, and they always say that it is Krishna given flat. It is Krishna given. But are you having that consciousness? And that getting that consciousness, that is not that easy, Mataji. Though we might externally say,
Sometimes we might ask for promotion.
Ah,
Job,
Ah.
job, might be job,
Ah.
might be marriage, it might be
Ah.
kids,
Ah.
it might
Marriage
be
promotion.
it might be any good activity in our lives.
Ah.
Being in a Krishna
Ah.
consciousness,
Ah.
if anything good is happening, so how should we take that as a
Mataji,
karma?
yeah, Mataji, there is Sitoshna Sukha Dukkada. Matra Sparsha Kaunteya, Sitoshna Sukha Dukkada. Mataji, anything, Mataji, it's a life of both ups and downs, Mataji. If something really good is happening, Mataji, no need to, Surre na Samiranga, party, chalo, 5-day weekend. అంత ఎగరాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. అలానే బాధ వస్తే కదా ఇది కూడా దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో టెంపరీ అనే ఫీలింగ్లో ఉండాలి మాది. ఫీలింగ్ కూడా యూ షుడ్ పుట్ యువర్ బెస్ట్ ఫుట్ ఫార్వర్డ్ టు గెట్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్. అండ్ దానికని బాధల్లో ఉన్నారని మొత్తం డీలప్పుడు పోయి డిప్రెషన్కి వెళ్ళిపోవాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. బికాస్ దిస్ వరల్డ్ ఇస్ లైక్ దట్ మాతాజీ. అప్స్ అండ్ డౌన్స్ ఆర్ ద నేచర్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ వరల్డ్. ఎప్పుడు పర్మనెంట్గా కష్టాలు ఉండవు, ఎప్పుడు పర్మనెంట్గా ఇది ఉండదు. అండ్ బీయింగ్ ఇన్ దిస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఎ కమ్యూనిటీ ఐ డోంట్ థింక్ మెటీరియలిస్టిక్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అంతా ఉండకపోవచ్చు అని నా ఫీలింగ్. The thing is, how we need to take something good is happening. Good Krishna, thanks for giving all these things, but please make me more self-realized and make me more closer to you. Bring me more closer to you. Please that should be our prayer when something really good is happening. And something negative is happening. Thanks Krishna. I think surely I might have done some negative karma which I am burning. You are giving an opportunity, but please make me stable Krishna, and please keep me in devotee association Krishna, and let me run this life properly. అనే కాన్షియస్నెస్తో మనం డీల్ చేయాలి మదర్. అండ్ ఐ డోంట్ నో ఇఫ్ ఐ ఆన్సర్డ్ యూ, బట్ దిస్ ఇస్ అండ్ ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఈజీ మదర్. నేను సీట్లో కూర్చొని చెప్పినంత మాత్రం అంత ఈజీ కాదు. ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఈజీ థింగ్ మదర్. ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఈజీ. దర్ ఇస్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ కన్విక్షన్ నీడెడ్ మదర్. ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఆల్ ఈజీ. It's not all easy, and currently we are going through that. We have gone through.
16 rounds chanting is to program our mind towards that
It
consciousness.
helps. It really helps.
I see a lot of people who are doing 16 rounds. They're very joyful. They are not saying life is dukkha. They might be saying, but they are saying happily.
But actually they know, because ground reality they know that it is dukkhalayam and we can't avoid dukkhas. And I guarantee Mataji, నేను ఎవరిని కోరుకోవట్లేదు కానీ నేను గ్యారంటీ చెప్తాను, నో వన్ ఈస్ హ్యాపీ అండ్ దెర్ ఇస్ నో పర్సనాలిటీ ఇన్ దిస్ హెర్త్ who can say 100% I'm happy. No one is there, mother. No one is there. Can you accept? I don't want to quote again. No one is there. And if you still feel that అంబానీస్ ఉన్నారు కదా వాడు నో నేను మీరు ఇంకా ఆ యాంగిల్లో ఆలోచిస్తారంటే మీ అంత మూర్ఖులు ఎవరు లేరు.
One good thing about knowing that everyone has problems, no? That will make our problems feel
Small. It will make us.
Three Idiots joke is there. He fails and he sees his friend also fails. He feels better. Like that, we will not take our problems that too seriously that we will go into depression. That's what I feel.
Yeah, you're right. Actually, it will make us, our problem becomes simple and it will make us humble always. Humble. ఎప్పుడు పొగరు అనేది రాడు. ఇంతకుముందు నాకు ఎంత పొగరు ఉండేది మీకు తెలియదు. అర్థం కాదు. 80. లేదు, నథింగ్ లైక్ దట్. 80 years అయినా సరే there are so many, I'm sorry to quote, there are so many in our green race community, 75 or 80 above, there are some 5 to 6 group of gentlemen who sit. నల్లగొండలో రేటు పెరిగిందా, నాకు మంచి ప్రాపర్టీ ఉంది, నల్లగొండలో రేటు ఫ్లాట్ అమ్ముదాం అనుకుంటున్నా. Is it really required for that? Yeah.
in their lifetime. So then their life is in the path of liberation. Automatically they'll get liberated.
No, Mataji. No, Mataji. No. Mataji, it's not easy. Being in bhakti is not an easy process.
No, they're not in bhakti.
No, they will not. They will not get liberated, Mataji. You bring which Purana it is said, you might have heard, but in which Purana it is said, let me know. You may know where it is written. No.
Most of the people in Mahabharata were above 80.
Yeah. That's it. వాళ్ళు అంటారు మాతాజీ, అమృత మాతాజీ, దే మైట్ సే నేను ఏ పాపం చేయలేదు, ఎవరికి హాని చేయలేదు, నాకు మోక్షం రాకపోతే ఏమొస్తుంది? నో, దట్ ఇస్ నాట్ ద క్రైటీరియా. దెర్ ఆర్ సో మెనీ పీపుల్ హూ డూ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఫిలాంథ్రఫీ, ఎవరికి పాపం చేయకుండా బాగా మంచోళ్ళు. See, I'm not saying they're bad, but they are not led.
Now I remember, I heard it from
Sab.
Now his lectures.
I don't want to dig much about.
Now I know, but it's long back. And suddenly it reminded me.
No, it's not mentioned anywhere in Shastra. I mean, I don't want to talk about him at this juncture, but see, there are some good things he's doing, but there are no scriptural references what he quotes.
He himself says
he's a good communicator. He's having good command in English. He's having a good communication skills. But he never quotes scriptures. Huh? So many likes, million subscribers are there.
Excellent marketing.
Amazing orator, but
Why is orator? As I said, being a good orator or having a million subscribers is not a criteria for whatever bullshit they say. It is right.
So usually they say
He
you
might
get
be.
this, you will get this, but they won't say what you will get or they won't give what.
He might be driving.
or what is the source of that information? That they never put.
They never quote. Yeah. So any other questions?
Abuji, ఇప్పుడు నాకు 84 million lives వస్తాయి చెప్పారు.
No. 84 million species are there. 84 lakh species are there.
మరి ఎన్ని lives వస్తాయి?
అది నన్ను 84 lakh స్పీషీస్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు మన హ్యూమన్స్ అందరు ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాం కదా, మనం అందరం ఒక స్పీషీస్. There are 4 lakh human species are there. Among that 4 lakh species, we are one species. There are still 3,99,999 human species are there. One more species is Chimnera, our Hanumanji. Hanumanji is a Chimnera species. He is also one among the human species. Like that, there are almost 3,99,000 more human species are there. Not in this Brahmanda. There might be so many other Brahmandas where there might be different kinds of human species.
మాకి ఎన్ని హ్యూమన్ లైఫ్స్ వస్తాయి?
మనం చెప్పలేము. That depends on your karma. Your karma. There might be a situation where with your past karma, this might be your last human life and you might go back to Vaikuntha. And there is a possibility that with your past karmas, there might be another 1 million human species you might get. And there might be a chance you might get another 1 million animal species also.
Can there be a chance of somebody having first life?
What will it?
First life, first birth.
First birth as?
New birth, as a human.
It's very different.
అర్థం కాలేదు ప్రశ్న.
అంటే ఒక్కోసారి అనిపిస్తుంది పిల్లల్ని చూస్తే, ఒక పిల్లోడిని ఒక పర్సన్ని చూస్తే వీడికి ఇంతకుముందు జన్మలే లేవు, వీడికి ఫస్ట్ బర్త్ ప్రతి ఒక్కటి వీడికి నేర్పించాలి.
ప్రభుజీ జనరల్గా జస్ట్ ఐ నీడ్ టు గెట్ దిస్ క్లారిఫైడ్, బట్ జనరల్గా ఫస్ట్ లైఫ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ గివన్ హ్యూమన్ బర్త్.
హ్యూమన్ బర్త్ ఈజ్ నాట్.
ఎందుకంటే హీ నీడ్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ ద పెయిన్ ఆఫ్ గెటింగ్ ఇన్ టు దిస్ మెటీరియల్ వరల్డ్ ఫస్ట్. ఫస్ట్ టైమే రియలైజేషన్ స్కోప్ ఇచ్చే హ్యూమన్ బర్త్ ఇస్తే ఏం వాల్యూ తెలుస్తుంది? Surely it's not human birth. First life is not human birth.
Probably what I have heard is when somebody finishes the good karma and good karma goes to Swarga, when the good karmas are over, he is kicked out. He is not asked to go, he is literally kicked, and the person comes to earth as a human. So from some Swarga I have heard from Amolina Prabhu that after you finish all your good karma, you are kicked out of Swarga, so that soul knows that even this is not permanent. And you are thrown back, but then you take as human. And probably after, once the pralay happens and everything, then might be the whole cycle starts again. But otherwise, everything
So surely probably this is not the first time. It's not human birth. And you know,
Any train has to catch from here only. Destination.
The thing is, Prabhu, here the equal opportunity. Prabhuji, heavenly planets there is a very less scope to grow spiritually. Only yes, Prabhu. Full entertainment, Prabhu. No, the disease won't be there. Directly death. No disease. For example, if you are capable of eating, maximum any gulab jamun tilagalavu okay sorry. Any tilagalavu maximum 3. In heavenly planets you can eat 100 gulab jamuns or 100. That enjoyment quotient would be more. And when you are having that enjoyment, anxiety, that all this power and everything, all kinds of enjoyment you can have. But in that enjoyment it's very difficult to remember God. Hare Krishna అనుకుంటాను రా ఏ థాట్ వస్తుంది బ్రో? ఏం వస్తుంది చెప్పండి మన బతుకులకి?
And whatever karma we do there, it's again bhogi only. It's not, so we don't get any karma. That's the reason we drink all the wines there, but it's not a path, because whatever good karma we have done here, we have gone there to bhogify that. So Madhira there is not. People say, right, go with the sir, maybe to they drink, because it's here they are doing the good karma, there they are getting enjoyment of because of that. If we do the Madhira here, we'll never go there. So we don't get any karma there.
Deepak,
Yeah, so basically, just continues to this question. Since people are growing right in this earth,
Yes.
there are new people are coming.
Yes.
So is it possibility that new souls are coming
Yes.
at this time?
yes, Prabhu. Yes.
So the population is growing, right? So the more people are getting to human birth.
Yes, Prabhu.
So in that case, how it is possible?
Prabhuji,
Number of souls are not increasing.
Prabhuji, number of souls already number of souls are fixed.
Yeah.
Fixed. Number of souls, but the number of souls who are going out of this world or going back home, back to Godhead are very less.
It's reducing.
Very reducing. But even if the number of souls are increasing here, Krishna is balancing. If not here, he might be taking birth in another. Vijay Bhaskar Prabhu or myself might take birth in another Brahmanda also. It's not only one Brahmanda, no. This Brahmanda, there are so many
From
Brahmandas.
where those souls are coming? The new souls.
New, from where they are coming from there only.
Earlier they were
Animals,
going back to Godhead. Now
Worms.
they are not going.
With
Now
the
they're-
desires, they are being jealous of Krishna. They are okay. You wanted to enjoy independent of Krishna, right? Go and enjoy.
You want a bungalow, right?
So when the creation has started, the souls, number of souls have been fixed.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Figure, there are no increase of souls, decrease of souls. ఇది తోట కూడా కట్ట కాదు. ఇది actually souls are, but now you know actually 2/3 of the population of souls is there in spiritual world. It is said that only 1/3 is the material world. Now you don't ask me what exactly the population. I don't remember.
So they were in higher planet earlier.
No problem.
Now they are coming to lower
No problem.
planet.
This 1/3 of the population, they are traveling across all these 14 planets, not only in this Brahmanda, but infinite Brahmandas. Brahmanda is a part of a material world.
Do you have any examples of other human species like?
No, one is Asma, second is Hanuman is there. There are so many. I don't have, but we can find out, Mataji. Mataji, see, this information, we can get it, Mataji. We can get it. But this information, it should make you, actually that is not important for you actually. We can get it. But will it make you think? Will it make you to progress in spirituality more? There should, information, no transformation. What is the use, Mataji? Actually, no. Actually, there are devotees, very simple devotees, Mataji. They are not very knowledgeable. I think I have given an example of Auto Wala. One Auto Wala in and around Abbots area. He does Jagannath Radhayatra every day. What he cooks? Chipped rice. And he does Bhagavatam class every day. Just chinna valatane. They are not complicated. Nenu idi cheste naaku emoutundi manake vastayi aalochanlu. The thinking and all these things. If I do this mistake, what karma I will get? All these questions we only will get, Mataji. I mean, we can find out. I'll check it out, Mataji. But you know what? All this faith, it is not of any use. But there are, and we'll get the information. But when this information is there, it should make you change. You should not question the authenticity of Vedas. Generally, when we get into this information mode now, there is a possibility that Jnana Yogi, Jnana Vaikalita, it's not our goal. Towards knowledge is not our goal is bhakti. And Krishna likes the personalities who are in Jnana, and coming to bhakti, he likes more. But generally, most of the devotees who are Jnanis, generally they are having the pride of their knowledge. Mostly they will not come to bhakti. I will try to find out one. But total 4 lakh human species are there. And there are any? I think I need to check it out. Any other questions, Prabhuji? Yeah, I think we have extended, so we will close the session. I think I don't know with this space how much it will go. We'll see. But I'm stopping the